Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew, stock number B96778. 92,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Caravan brand new. Maximum steel metallic in color. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear climate control. Grand Caravan is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection, automatically reverse if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Crew has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 20 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. And also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, liftgate and sliding door controls, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.